The island would look very different if there were no horses here. Rarely do you see Spanish moss hanging to the ground because they eat it. Being grassland animals, of course, they'd rather be out in the dunes or out in the marsh because at least it feels better. And they've got a few species of grass on the beach, which of course stabilizes the dunes for the sea turtles. And the marsh is different. They really do a number on the marsh because of their hooves, and they eat the marsh grass, of course. But sometimes they actually bog down because they're so heavy, and their feet, I mean, if they could wear snowshoes out there, they could do it, but they bog down and then they get caught and the tide comes in and kills them, which is really a terrible thing to see. We have freshwater wetlands, but fresh water is a limiting factor on all our barrier islands. And there are artesian wells here that are left, that the Carnegies originally put in because they had cattle roaming free too, and so they realized everybody needs water. And so they had some artesian wells drilled in various places that are accessible to the horses. But their food is limited. The moss and the grass in the dunes, where both places, the Shoreland Protection Act, the Marshland Protection Act, are both violated by horses.